We were in the elastic collision in one dimension, and in the part 2 when the target body is at rest. So this is the target body. If this body is at rest, that means u2 here it is 0. Then already we have explained that v1 would be this and v2 would be this. So under the condition of when the target body is at rest, the very first condition is when two bodies are of equal masses. So when m1 equals to m2, then it becomes v1 becomes equals to 0. That means what? The body A will come to rest. And also when m1 equals to m2, then here m1 equals m2, we get here v2 equals to 2m by 2m into u1. It gets cancelled off. That means what? v2 becomes u1. So after collision, the velocity of the body B having the mass m2 will move with the initial velocity that is of mass m1. Next condition is that when the mass of the body B, that is this, is negligible, that means it is very less than m1, then what we find out here is if you take out the m1, m2 as don't consider here, we get here m1 by m1. So the velocity of v1 becomes u1. So mass m1 will move with the initial velocity u1. Now let us consider v2 here. Here m2 is very less, so we don't consider this portion. Then we have 2m1 by m1, that is equals to 2u1. So the velocity of v2 will be twice of the initial velocity of the mass m1. When the mass of the body B, so this mass of the body B is very large, that means what? m2 is greater than m1. Then forgetting about the m1 over here, negating m1 here, we get here v1 equals to minus m2 by m2 u1, which is equals to minus u1. That means the velocity of v, it will become in the opposite direction with its initial velocity u1 here. And also in case of v2, the velocity here, it will be similar to 0. It is a negligible velocity.